Hi there, Andy with Mork Productions here. Another Friday, another quick tip. In this video, I'd like to talk about audio. The most important thing when it comes to any video is audio. You can have the nicest camera in the world, but if your audio sounds bad, the video is going to come across as cheap. In these videos, we paint out a broadcast microphone that is right next to my mouth, so that way you have good audio. However, if I were to record these videos with my in-camera mic, it would sound like this. Not so hot, right? While it may take a little bit of extra setup, having a dedicated quality microphone for good audio will make the biggest difference in the world. Even a simple cell phone video with quality audio added can look very professional. Here's the bottom line. While the visual of the video is important, the audio of the video is what makes or breaks the quality. If you enjoy this content and want help bringing your company's videos to the next level, feel free to reach out. We'd be glad to talk.